Welcome to our 5th edition of Dio Does Things, a full installation of the parSYNC Plus on a passenger vehicle. For this video, one person is installing the equipment and operating the vehicle. This is due to social distancing and to show the equipment's ease of use. The equipment is warmed up before starting the installation and is running while the install is completed. The first step is to decide where you're going to put the system. For this vehicle, the back seat or trunk area are good places to seat the equipment. The mated tablet, even though it is shut, is running and connected to the parSYNC and should be set aside for future use. Place the condensate unit for batch exhaust, also known as the cube, on the back seat. Place the parSYNC system next to the cube on the back seat. Next, we are installing the sample delivery from the exhaust. The probe has a clip to secure it to the side of the exhaust pipe. If the pipe wall is not thick enough, simply clamp the probe. Before the sample tubing is installed, it is best to perform a zero of the equipment, which is done by command from the tablet. Secure the sample tubing with tape. This tape is waterproof and does not leave a residue on the vehicle. Make sure there are no dips in the line, as this may cause a buildup of water, which can cause improper sampling. The sample and drain lines need to be routed through the window and secured with tape. The cube and parSYNC also need to be connected to the exhaust. Just to recap the connections, the exhaust sample line connects to the cube, then connects to the parSYNC through the visual inspection water trap. Then the parSYNC exhaust is vented out the window along with the opaque water drain from the cube. For OBD data, a HEM data is installed on the OBD2 connection on the vehicle. This is normally located under the steering column. On the computer, a new data file can be started, and the vehicle can be turned on. Verify that you have pollutants in the normal ranges for the fuel being used, and off you go. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please join me next time. Please comment below. If you have a suggestion for a future Dio Does Things, you may also email me directly at mikedio@3dadix.com.